Hello everybody, hello friends, family, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Love Oluwaseun Adewuni. Okay, this will be my first time of dropping a vlog on YouTube, and to tell you, it has started and it's gonna move. So guys, I've just created this video. I'm making this video actually just to get you guys aware about this YouTube channel. Okay, like I said, this is my first time and I want us to do this together. A lot to be shared on this YouTube channel. I'll be talking about so many things, so expect so many things, like so many. I can't just start mentioning. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to press the like button. I would like you to comment in the comment section below, and I also like you to subscribe, because that's the most important thing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting a lot from what I'll be posting. And also, to get notified, you just have to click that notification button up there so that we can do this together. You know what? This won't be moving. This channel won't be moving. Like it won't how will I put it? If it won't move, it won't grow rather, if you guys don't subscribe. I need you guys to encourage me, please, by subscribing to this channel, liking whatever video it is, and commenting on what you feel you need to comment on. Feel free to ask questions, share your mind, because right here in this channel, I'm not the owner of this channel. Like, it's not only me that owns this channel. We all own the channel together. So I want you guys to please come along with me. Let's go together. Let's flow together. Let's talk about faith. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about relationship. Let's talk about everything. Let's talk about life. Let's talk about everything in general. So guys, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you all. That's just it. My next video, I'll be sharing reasons and purpose why I started this vlog. I'll be giving you information, and or how do I put it, I'll be revealing and unveiling why I actually started this vlog. There are some purposes, like there are some purposes, or there are some reasons why I started this vlog. So guys, please, you can only know about this when you subscribe to this channel. Thank you all. I love you guys. I love you so much. I wouldn't be doing this without you. So please support me, support me, support me, support me. I'm your girl now. Sure, you understand? So subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button, and let's go. Let's move. Let's rock it there together. Vlogging don't start with that though. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Mwah.